Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out our channel. This is Living Wild Fab. My daughter's name is Liv, last name is Wild, so we like to do a lot of things wild. What you're going to see here is a 1943 lathe. It's a LeBlond. Not a whole lot of them out there, but they're pretty stout machines. I picked this one up in South Texas. I traveled it out there for about 3 months in a container, waiting for it to make its way home. I brought it back roughly in August, and I've been piddling around with it, making a few changes, upgrades, buying some things that it needed. I'm going to start the restoration on it after, a few months of just messing with it, figuring out, making sure it was going to work, making sure the bedways were all good on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a full resto, top to bottom on it, as soon as I get a few more things done on it. Take a look at some of the upcoming videos. You're going to see a splash guard is the first thing up, and then once we get it rolling, we will move forward with a lot more things. What do you think, Livy? Think our gearbox is good?